friends! Today I'm going to show you how to cook the prawn and vegetable stir fry. It's really healthy and delicious, good for family daily meals and easy to make. Let's get started. The vegetable combination is broccoli, onion, snow peas, carrot, and minced garlic. Let's look after our main guy, the prawns. We have them cleaned and deveined. Just season with salt, pepper, and cooking wine or white wine. Mix well. Our beautiful sauce needs starch, soy sauce, salt, fish sauce, and some water to combine. Love to do this just like magic. And you can use this sauce for some other cooking, such as fish, chicken, and vegetables. All good. Give it a stir. Everything's done, ready to cook. Put on medium heat and some olive oil. First, let's fry the prawns. Spread out and cook them evenly. After 1 minute, when the prawns become pink, just turn over. Then fry another side. Just be careful, don't cook them too long, no more than 1 minute. Now, let's get them out. Same work, just add some olive oil and the garlic to saute them about 30 seconds to release the flavor. And the onion smells out, dancing in the air. And the broccoli. Next, carrot. The last one is snow peas. Now we need to stir and mix them well. Put a little bit of water. Cover the lid to trap the oil aroma. 1 minute later, let's open the lid and the prawns. Just stir a few times. Pour the sauce in. Oh my, what a good color! Smells come out. Lovely, just lovely. Looks yummy. We are successful, aren't we? Time to serve. Are you coming? Lovely friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, please click the red subscribe button below and give me a thumbs up. That would be great. I'll appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. See you next video.